To set up gift aid for an existing event, start by opening the event from the Events tab in your dashboard. Under Edit Event and Tickets, scroll down to the event settings and select the checkbox for Allow customers to make a donation. If you like, you can specify a suggested donation amount. Save your event. Next, in the left-hand menu, select Checkout Form to edit your checkout form. Click Add a buyer-only question. In the pop-up window, select the gift aid declaration for donors. You can edit the standard gift aid declaration text if you need to. If not, just click Save Custom Question to add this to your form. Your gift aid checkbox will now show on your checkout if a donation has been added by your ticket buyer. If you want to claim gift aid on admittance to a charity property, start by creating a new ticket type in the Edit Event and Tickets section. Alongside your other standard ticket types, add one that includes gift aid. For example, this one is a general admission ticket plus gift aid for £1 more than the standard admittance cost. Then, go back to the checkout form section to update your checkout form. In the buyer-only questions, add an address question and set it as required. In the Attendee Questions section, click Add an Attendee Question, then select Terms and Conditions Agreement. Add the standard gift aid declaration text to the box or write it yourself. Deselect the checkbox so that the answer is not required. Tick the checkbox labelled "This question only applies to some ticket types" and then select your donation tickets. Make sure to save your custom question.